How birds keep warm and waterproof. Birds live and migrate in climates that are cold and sometimes wet, particularly diving ducks and other shorebirds and pelagic birds. They have several strategies to keep their bodies warm and insulated. One of these is through an action called preening. These ducks are gathering oil from a preening gland located just under their tail feathers and then spreading an oil coating over their feathers to make them waterproof. Another way to keep warm is by fluffing up their feathers, which serves to trap air under them, which also provides insulation from the cold. A mallard drake is also preening in the warm sun next to a herded merganser pair.